Ever poured your heart and budget into an ad campaign only to hear crickets? Yeah, I know the pain. But what if I told you that there is a proven formula to craft ads that convert every single time and deliver 5 to 7 times the ROAS? In this video, I am pulling back the curtain on our insider strategies that have turned struggling campaigns into client success stories. Hit that like button and let's get into it. First off, rule number 1. If you don't know who you're talking to, well, you're wasting your time and budget. You need to know what keeps your audience up at night and what excites them and what makes them pause their scrolling. Here's a quick exercise we use at Kraken Media. Ask, who is my ideal customer? And be very specific. Age, job, lifestyle, struggles, favorite color. What's their biggest pain point? And how does my product or service fix it? What do they want to feel after seeing my ad? For example, let's say you're selling a fitness coaching service. Your audience isn't just looking for workouts, they're craving confidence, better energy, and control over their lives. Speak to that. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy outcomes and emotions. Write that down. Now let's talk about hooks. A good hook grabs attention, keeps people watching and stops them from swiping away. We found that the best hooks have these 3 things. 1, it's unexpected. Just say something bold or shocking. 2, it's relevant. Address the viewers specifically. And 3, it's clear. Make the benefit obvious. Here's an example of an ad hook that crushed for us. Most people fail at getting fit because they do this one thing wrong, and it's not diet or exercise. Boom. You're curious, right? That's the power of a well-crafted hook. Every Kraken Media ad follows this simple structure: problem, solution, call to action. There's some other little bits that are tweaked in there as necessary, but fundamentally that's the 3 main points. Here's how it works. Start with the problem, show your audience you get what they're struggling with. For example, tired of spending hours at the gym, feeling just as bad as when you started? Introduce the solution. Present the product or service as the solution to their problem. Example, with our 12-week coaching plan, you'll be looking and feeling $1 million in time for your Christmas parties. And end with a clear call to action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Click the link below to book your free consultation today. Or in your case, click the subscribe button. Pro tip, keep this tight and focused. The faster you get from problem to solution, the more likely your viewer is to stick around. Now here's the hard truth. If your ad looks boring or like an ad, it is dead in the water. Great visuals aren't just pretty, they drive results and keep your ROAS high. Visuals are your best friend. Use bold text overlays to reinforce points, and also bear in mind a lot of people might be watching with the sound off. Add quick cuts, motion and punchy sound effects to hold attention. And make sure, for the love of God, you include people. Faces and emotions connect with viewers. Think about this. You have 3 seconds, if you're lucky, to convince someone to care about your ad. Use visuals that grab attention and keep things dynamic. Your ad needs to be entertaining or interesting in its own right. Even the best ads don't always hit home on the first try. So that's why we always follow the 3 T's. Test, track, tweak. Run multiple versions of your ad, different hooks, visuals and CTAs. Look at the data. Which versions has the lowest cost per click? Which version has the lowest cost per click? Which one gets the most conversions? Double down on what's working and adjust what's not. Quick example. If one of our campaigns, hook number 1 smashed it while hook number 3 flopped, we drop the loser and scale up the winner. That's how you save money and get better results. Alright, so let's recap. Know your audience inside and out. Craft hooks that grab attention, use the problem solution CTA structure, make your visuals pop, test, track and tweak like a pro, and there you have it. Kraken Media's proven formula for ads that convert. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS video marketing tips, and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Until next time, keep creating ads that don't just look good but actually make you money. See ya. Oh, and if you want help turning your ads into scroll-stopping money machines, check out Kraken Media's service in the description down below. And let's make something awesome together.